Okay, it's just about 7 p.m. 21st of April. Sun is still up and not by very much. This is right next to where the motorcycle's parked. Nice and purple. These have opened up quite a bit since I was out here last. That's pretty cool. I think the lowest one, that's about 5.5 feet off the ground because I'm looking straight at it. Everything else is like that. That's got to be 8 feet high. And these are a little bit of a pinkish red. I can see these from the bus. I wonder which one of these I'm allergic to. This is the first week I've really had bad allergies in quite a while. There's been a lot of wind blowing. One of these last year that had more substance to it, that one's completely fallen apart. It's like it's a little hollow shell. Well, there might be something like that too. Something's in the air, my throat's all sore and nose is stuffed up. These are already fading out. Alright, all the wind has been blowing these petals off. So those are not near as full as they were before. There's fragments of them on the ground, right there, and there. These things are really perking up. But the bottom doesn't look so good down there. But the new growth on top, those are a lot bigger than they were last week. That's kind of cool. Just kind of a cool look.